Well, Happy New Year, everyone. Today is January 1st, and it's like 68 degrees today. We are warm at Christmas Day and maybe a few days before Christmas. Then a cold front come in, and it got down to like 27. And freezing, so kind of warmed up again. It's supposed to warm up in the 70s, I think, by Friday. Wait, what's tomorrow? Or next week, maybe. I don't know. 70s. Kind of warm. But it's perfect right now. Let's see what it is. 69. Perfect. I just got a mesh jacket on. Hope everyone had a great new year. Hopefully 2026 will be great for everyone. Bye. Well, hello there again, YouTube. It's still January 1st. It's out for a ride. It's pretty nice to see what 70. It warmed up even more. Pretty nice. I got really light pants on. Not cold at all. Jackets, the mesh jacket is just perfect. What a nice day, though. We've had some pretty good weather, except for a couple days it got really cold. Well, 27 is cold. Anything below freezing is pretty cold. I'm kind of in North Texas now, not in Central Texas anymore. You can tell it's kind of flat. I lived by the hill country before, but I rode so much over the years that could never find any place new to ride, so kind of nice up here. But I got to stay on these roads because I got off a road one time and it turned into dirt. Then all of a sudden it turned into mud and I was stuck. And the roads just kind of stop. Then the rest of the road, if I would have went further, is underwater. My son tried to kind of find me, and I told him where I was. He goes, "How'd you get there? The road's all underwater." I guess I came in the back way. Didn't get stuck in this. I got stuck on the spider. I would have got stuck on this too. Going through all that mud. I was just trying to turn around and then everybody's driving on the road because it's people live on it, so it made the whole road mud. Can't believe people live on a road like that.